Welcome back, and today, we will get Delta iOS v2.67 for direct install. Go to Safari.
Let's go. I ain't the first with the curse with the thirst.
The link is in the comments or the description. Press Download Profile. Then Download. Then press Allow. Then press Settings. Then press Profile Downloaded.
I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt. She asking to crash with me, smash with me. She savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live. I'm cold.
Then press on the DeadlyScripts app.
Just to feel alive.
Then scroll down till you find Delta Direct Install. Then press Get. Then you need to wait a bit until a download button pops up. Press Delta. Then you need to trust the developer. Go back to Settings. Scroll down till you find VPN and Device Management. Then Enterprise App. Then Trust and Allow and Restart. Then press Delta. And your Delta should fully work and load in. Tutorial how to get the key in the link in the description or in the pinned comment. And join my Discord for Delta updates and chat people, and see you in the next one.